Good morning from Perth. It's around 8:30 at morning and it's 10 degrees, so I'm wearing my leather jacket and I look damn hot, I guess. I hope so, because I'm going to explore something very cool today on my very first day. Why not? This is the little harbor. We are a little bit late, but we're gonna make it. We are going by this boat, red one. There is the guide on the boat, and the boat inside look like this one. He talking something. We're going to Rottnest Island today, like this one. So we are on the boat, we are just going out. This is the bridge in the Elizabeth Key. I'm gonna make a video of Elizabeth Key. Just wanna show you a little bit of the city, what's going on. I want to show you how does it look like on the boat going to Rottnest Island, like this one. It's really cool. They even have a bar with coffee. Already had a cappuccino for $5, very nice. And the water is flat and calm, 10 degrees at morning, but beautiful weather. I hope so will be beautiful on the boat. Also, this one is the King's Park, or the other side of the King's Park. I'm gonna visit the King's Park for sure other day. There is an overview from the boat. Gonna show you little bit. Don't wanna make you bored, but that's how does it look like. Super cool. Heading to Rottnest Island. And this is also the oldest brewery here in Perth. So it's also very interesting to show you little bit outside of the Perth city when we are already going on the boat. Looks actually cool. And look at this one, the people cycling at morning. Beautiful weather. Check this out, the color of the sky and everything. I'm already impressed. Can't wait for the island vibe. Also here we have some nice looking yacht club. Check this out, actually cool yacht club. And well, see you on the Rottnest Island. Alright, just arrived to the Rottnest Island. We're gonna explore it a bit, and this island is like you have to drive the bicycles or you can have a bus. This is the boat what we came from. Took us 2 hours to do it, exactly 2 hours, 10:45. Still a little bit cold, so I'm gonna wear a jacket and I'm gonna explore the Rottnest Island. That was the biggest recommendation for everybody. And I said, I'm going to Perth, Australia, you have to go there. So I decided to go on the first day when I'm in Australia. Why not? We came by this boat. My bro Mick is trying to get the bicycles, and that's the another boat, and it's pretty busy, I'm gonna tell you. It's Saturday morning. So that's my ride, the red bicycle, and I'm gonna show you the map where we are here. The island is like a 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers to do the loop. So definitely I'm not gonna do all, but I'm gonna try to show you as much as possible as always. We have to come back at 4 to the same ferry to come back. So we have like from 11 o'clock up to 4 o'clock, 5 hours. But before I'm gonna show you anything, I have to grab some drink and maybe some snack, because it needs energy to drive the push bike again. However, pretty cool. We just got from the departure store, and there is this little kangaroo called quokka. Quokka? How you call it? Quokka? Alright, here we go. They are aggressive, no? Oh, hello, sweetie. Quokka. You like sneaker? Ooh, but I cannot give you this one. Hello, quokka. So that's the animal native to this island. Yeah, you cannot touch them, you cannot feed them, so he cannot eat sneaker with me. That is nice. It's so quiet. Little kangaroo. Hello. It's so cute, isn't it? Hello. Hello. Hello, quokka. So some people, Dutch, long time ago when they come here, they said as they as rat, but it's actually little kangaroo. Look at his tail. So cute, isn't it? Hello, hello, quokka. How you doing, babe? Look at this crow or whatever. So many birds, so many animals here. It's Australia eventually, right? But there's people making the selfie. Quokka. Yo, what's up? You see? Like this. Having my ham and cheese croissant, but I'm afraid if this birdie will not eat this, huh? Check this out. Looks like he will just grab shortly my croissant. Hopefully not, but so nice actually. Good to film it, huh? Hello, buddy. So the little kangaroos are very cute. Just remember, not touch, no feed, no pick up, and all of this stuff. All right, now after my food, no animal eat my food, so that's that's good. I'm happy with that. Little kangaroos are really cute, the birds, everything. Now it's time to explore a little bit of the island. I want to push back, but I will try my best to show you as much as possible. Of course, there is a little chapel here. I'm not sure if it's open, probably not, but there is here. As you can see, there is the cross. There are some old houses here, probably from the Dutch era, if I'm not mistaken. Ocean, marina, and everywhere like this one. Actually, maybe there are some lounges here you could stay even. Overall, this is a little bit like an island where you can only cycling or walking. And the sun is getting sharp a little bit. Yeah, definitely there are lounges here where you could stay. A little shed. I'm still wearing a jacket. Well, maybe I could handle on the T-shirt, but feeling like I prefer jacket and the ocean view like this one. Let's see. Let's paddling to see some beautiful landscapes here. Yeah, definitely you can stay in these houses. They are like a coal badge here. They are the names, and they're facing the ocean. So cool. Just a little bit hard to push the bike, but it's no issue. And overall looks like this one everywhere. As I'm Bali-based YouTuber, I will compare as always sometimes to something. It's like a Gili Islands where you drive bicycles, no cars are allowed. However, totally different vibe. More organized and more quiet, obviously. There are some rocks here where you cannot enter, obviously. Safety first. In Australia, safety first. It's so cool. The weather is beautiful. To explore Australia right now, I think it's the best time because it's not too hot, not too cold. And also in the background you can see the Perth city. There are some boats over there, but you can see the skyline of Perth. So it's not really far actually. Tennis courts here, and seems like many houses. There's summer access to the beach where I'm heading now, and I'll show you around. See, and it's 12 o'clock and I'm already feeling like jacket off for a few hours. So it's perfect weather, and that's the landscape overall, pretty dry. Heading now to see this beautiful lighthouse and the pink beach. They said there is the pink beach here. Whew, and this is the lighthouse behind me. I'll show you. Not sure if this camera position is good, but the lighthouse is over there. And everything is nice overall, as expectable in Australia. I like the barriers and everything. Yeah, I know I sound a little bit like a weirdo, but after living so many years in Asia, it's different. A lot of walking, but it's very nice, very worth it to come. And then some pretty cool landscape just over there. Pink beach. So there is some really beautiful beach, and look at the color of the water. It's just so beautiful. Check this out, the colors. Damn, so beautiful. And the dry landscape overall, tennis courts, what I pass it around, and the view. It's pretty small island, and that's the tower lighthouse actually. Very nice indeed. Gonna have a quick look over there, show you. So cool. And all of the stairs are exactly like in the Western countries, so it's really cool to experience everything like this one over again. Beach right here, right now. Check this out. So white color sand, and the water is 12 o'clock, so everything looks slightly grayish because the sun is like that, but it's actually beautiful. Some little plane flying, beautiful blue sky, and perfect weather conditions. Cycling. There are some camping zones, clamping, like this one, and the places to rest area and everything. I just wanted to tell you everything is clean and neat here, so it's totally no issue with the rubbish or any stuff like this one. And these birds everywhere, the sound, can you hear this? So looks like this one. And also they have places to play football, so it's like a perfect place for holidays for the people who are living in Perth, I guess, in the surrounds area, or the football pitch here and stuff. So cool, and definitely very, very quiet. So it's not like overcrowded like in everywhere in Asia. Totally different vibes here. And let's go discover something new. Overall, I'm impressed about how everything is clean and neat here. Overall, it's very neat and clean here. I mean, like, well, it's cool. I mean, speechless a little bit, but yeah, this is expectable when you are coming to the countries like this one. And yeah, let's go to the another destination, some beachfront. Something cool is here, check this out. I'm trying to film a little bit driving so you can feel the experience. And something cool is here. Oh, here we go. Nice. Look at these beautiful palm trees. These blackbirds are everywhere, so if you hear something in the background, that's the birdies, and that's the beach situation here. That's the lighthouse where I were before. Some people even sunbathing here. And overall, that's how it looks, the beach here. Very cool. Everything is a little bit grayish because the sun is 12 o'clock, so it's not the best time for filming, but we have limited time here. So overall, I'm gonna tell you, it's super cool. Already it's warm enough for wearing the t-shirt, but it's not too hot. So if you ask me what time is the best coming to Perth, depends what weather you like it. If you like something between 10-20 degrees, April, May, June, July, that's the best month. June, July, maybe a little bit colder. Overall, super cool here. And yeah, I'm gonna grab some coke, show you a little bit around, and let's see how much more we can explore from this beautiful island today. After that, that's how does it look like. People driving on the bikes, everything seems very clean, to be honest. This is also the public toilets, clean and neat. Free water dispenser where you can drink. Of course, the tap water is safe to drink in Australia. That's I think that's not surprise. Also, very nice trees, nature, flora and fauna. I'm gonna grab some drink there, hopefully. Overall, the beach situation. I'm gonna show you a little bit one more time. Really, really cool and enjoyable. And that's how does it look like. Overall, you can also rest everywhere, so cool. They also have some cool ice cream shop with the drinks, stuff like this one, food truck, and the pubs are everywhere. You can just drive and explore. Cycling, like this one. Beautiful roads, special paths for the bicycles, and the nature like this one. There's the windmill there. Overall, it's so many hills here, not that easy to go to drive. I was thinking as this is the cemetery, but that's actually the spaces of some plants and covered like this one. A beautiful little path, road path. Overall, very enjoyable to cycling. Of course, cycling. Oh, beautiful view at the front. Check this out. Worth the hassle. Usually hard roads leading to beautiful destinations. And check this out. How cool is this? And you can explore all of this from your bike, just like this one. All right, so cool. Woo! Very cool. Beautiful weather now, especially right now. The weather is like, I don't know, 19, 20 degrees, so it's beautiful. I know, but after living so many years in Asia, the weather like this one makes me really feel good. Overall beautiful. So yeah, explore more as much as possible from today's island. Okay, let's go next. Little marina here, something like this one. So many those yellow white houses here everywhere, like holiday houses or something. So all of those houses have actually beautiful view of the beach and the ocean, obviously. So cool. I'm gonna show you a little bit here and there, and the beach looks like this one. And I'm gonna tell you, now it's 1 o'clock exactly, and I'm feeling a little bit hot already. So even it's more cold at morning doesn't mean it's cold all the time. Now it's hot, probably for another 2-3 hours. And obviously the beach looks like this one. Everywhere clean, nice, like this. In case if you would like to come by yourself and wonder where I am, is Geordie Bay. And like this one, and there are some stairs between the houses. It's getting hot, guys, so we come back, park our bike, gonna grab a bus ticket, and we're gonna have a bus ride across the island. It's 1 hour shuttle. I think it's worth it, still have a time. Also, I wanna see another lighthouse. Also, interesting fact, there was the mate here driving a bus where we asked for directions and everything, and he recognized me as I'm the YouTuber from Bali. So thank you so much, mate, for saying hi. I'm surprised, I'm shocked. Already first day, first person recognized me on the streets of Perth. Unbelievable, I'm impressed. All right, so we are in the bus, as you can see, just regular bus, like a coach. The tickets cost you 25 bucks. It's hop and in, so you can, drive as many times across the island. It's definitely already too hot for the bicycle, so I'm still looking for the lighthouse. There's some, bus station where you can hop in, hop out. There are some wreck ships over there. The lady said, I cannot see, where is it? Oh yeah, somewhere over there. The lady said sometimes on this beach they are the dolphins, but I'm not sure today. And over some beach here, let's have a look from the window. I'm too hot already to go another beach in general, but there are some boats parking, so cool. Very nice little cliff also here, and we are going more. And then another beach on the way to the lighthouse. Even some people enjoying some bathing and stuff. All right, so the bus is like this one behind me, just regular coach. We are in the middle of nowhere, but definitely worth to come because I want to really see the lighthouse, because I heard there are beautiful views overlooking the Rottnest island from there. Meanwhile, but after that there is like this one, not much, but cool. Here we go, this is where we are heading, 600 meters walk as the driver said, but looks cool. And the quokka, little kangaroo, said, I can feed myself, so please don't feed me. But where are you, buddy? We see them previously, but in the nature seems like, I don't know, maybe it's too hot already for them. I think I know the mystery. I sleep during the day, so please don't disturb me. So no quokkas anymore. I was lucky. So I was very lucky to see these cute animals at the beginning. Totally no regrets. However, respect them as they are sleeping. Actually, now it's nice weather, but I believe when during the summertime in Australia, when it's 40 degrees or something, because the weather here is also like that, I don't think so. I will visit this island during the 40-degree heat. And I don't know if you can see, but there is actually little quokka sleeping. I will try to zoom it for you. He or she sleep there. Just there. Oh, see? Moving a little bit, sleeping. Here we go, that's the lighthouse. Just few more steps and should be beautiful view around, hopefully. All right, arrive to the top. The lady said 600 meters climb, but that was pretty tiring, 600 meters. Lighthouse is behind me. Nice, and I'm gonna show you a little bit. I can see the weather is that nice as I can see the skyline of Perth city just behind me. Yeah, I don't know if I can climb to the top of the lighthouse, but nice. It's just tiring a little bit. That's a pretty nice shot of the skyline, the road here, and the city just over there. Unfortunately, inside there are just the spiral stairs to get inside to the top, no lift. So I don't think so I'm gonna do it. However, if you'd like to and feel strong enough to go to the top, you can do it. And also there is the guide to show you around. Entrance fee $15 US, Australian obviously. Actually, I'm in Australia right now, so all the dollars, if I'm talking about the prices, are in Australian dollars, and that's the overall view around. And I think I'm gonna go back to the harbor, back to Perth City. There's also a lot of nice landscapes on the way from the on the river, going to the Perth, to the Elizabeth Key. And also maybe I'm gonna find some little kangaroo, because this is why most of people coming actually, except the holidays obviously.
Cold inside, tore my mind, stole my peace. I prayed for ease but feared that my days were over. That emptiness is hard to pass. To fill that gap, you need to open up. All your days are over, but you sent your light to be found. I finally found my love, my love, my love. Give it one try, you will see. If you give it away, you'll be free tonight. It's like my engines overflow, and I ain't fueled, it's time to go. We are in this rush, it's love in the fast lane. I feel I'm strong beyond belief, and this is happening to me. I'm shouting, oh, this rush is love in the fast lane. I finally found my love. I finally found my love. I finally found my love.
It was my trip to Rottnest Island, or Rotto. I saw Rotto also, some people call it Rottnest Island. I hope so you enjoy. It was a lot of things to see today's very longer videos. However, I think it was cool and definitely worth it to visit. Many of you recommended. I came, hope so you enjoy. Also, I took this boat trip from the Elizabeth Key. So it's from the Perth city center. Thanks to that, you have a 1 hour cruise through the Valley Swan River, actually in Perth, which is, in my opinion, very cool and very worth it to visit. Otherwise, if you take it from Fremantle, I think is the name of the city, is just 1 hour trip. And this is the Elizabeth Key. Of course, I will come here and make a special video in the area over here in the nearest future. I'm here for a week or so. So also, so many of you text me as looking to meet me for a coffee and show me around events. So definitely I will find the time to to meet you. I don't know, it's a little bit cold and I'm getting a little bit tired. I don't really into boat trips, but this one was pretty nice. So anyways, a little bit longer today. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching till this moment, as always, I'll see you tomorrow, this time from Perth, Western Australia.